Welcome to the Blissmas Academy. We are a team of practitioners in big data and related technologies. We as a team have over 2 decades of experience in the industry. We are really passionate about dealing with the data and providing data solutions. We believe in continuous learning to keep pace with the upcoming technologies, and we enjoy spreading the knowledge through trainings and workshops. We have come out with a wonderful course on big data covering Hadoop and PySpark. Important sections of the course are introduction to the big data, how the big data came into picture, what are the different basic terminologies in the big data, what exactly is a big data. We will cover the Hadoop ecosystem, what are the different components of the Hadoop ecosystem. We'll introduce you guys to the Python so that you can start working on the PySpark. We'll cover the PySpark in detail, right from Spark architecture till the RDDs and distributed variables. In the end, we'll culminate this course with the projects. This course is for students. Students can be in their final year of engineering or who is doing MTech and any post graduation like MCA. The course is also can be taken by professionals who are working in a different technologies and want to shift to the big data, or who is working in RDBMS or data warehouse, they can also take up this course and upgrade their knowledge. All in all, anybody who wants to upgrade their knowledge in big data technologies, this course is a wonderful course for them. Let us look at the details of the course. First, we'll cover what is data, what is information, what are the different sources of the data, and how the data storage and processing has evolved over a period of time. Then we'll transition ourselves to the big data by covering what led to the emergence of the big data. What are the different terminologies in big data? What is the central theme of the big data? And what are the requirements of the programming model which will support the big data? Then we'll transition ourselves into Hadoop ecosystem. We'll cover the Hadoop ecosystem at high level, introducing all the important components of the Hadoop ecosystem. Once it's done, we'll try to drill down more into HDFS, like how do I store the data in HDFS and how do we read the data from HDFS? What are the challenges of HDFS and how do we tackle those challenges? And how do we practice the HDFS commands in HDFS? We'll transition ourselves into MapReduce, covering how the map works, how the reduce works, and how they work together for a distributed processing. How do we introduce more parallelism by introducing the partitions, by introducing the combiners? After that, learn about yarn, that is yet another resource negotiator. As a part of the yarn, we'll understand how resource manager and node manager are working together. What is the role of the application master process? What are the scheduling policies exist within yarn? Then as a part of the hive, we'll cover how analytical processing differ from transactional processing. Once done, we'll understand the hive architecture, metastore importance, hive data types, what are the different tables in hive. We'll write and practice enough hive queries for the processing of the data. We will cover NoSQL at a high level, like what led to the NoSQL, what are the different characteristics of the NoSQL, what are the different NoSQL models existing in the industry. Then we'll introduce you to the Kafka, like what are the different producers, what are the different consumers. After that, we'll cover the Scoop. What is Scoop, Scoop architecture, and how do we use Scoop for the import and export of the data. We'll understand Python at a very high level. We'll introduce you to the data types. What are the basic input and output operations in Python? What are the loops we can use as a part of the Python? And we'll introduce you to the functions in Python. After Python is done, we will cover PySpark in detail. introduction to the PySpark, how the Spark architecture is, how Spark session is important as a part of the Spark architecture. We'll cover data frame and partitions. How do we use the Spark for transforming the structured APIs like data frames, and how actions are very important in the lazy evaluations. We'll understand the different types of the data. We'll also drill down more into aggregations, joins. We'll introduce Spark SQL at a very high level. We'll culminate the PySpark section with learning RDDs and distributed variables. As a part of this course, we'll follow a methodology in which you are having a all-round development. We'll cover the concepts. Followed by the concepts, we'll show you the hands-on examples. You got to do them on your own. After each section, we'll provide you the assessment questions as well. In the end, we will provide you two important projects which will make you to put all the things whatever you have learned in the course into practice. If you want to know more details about the syllabus, you can log on to www.blissmas academy and click on the courses. We have a detailed syllabus of this particular course. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us, learn at blissmasacademy.com. Thank you.